Okay guys, so today I have a totally adorable Kawaii sticker haul for you guys. It is going to be another quiet one because everyone's sleeping, but that's okay. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Now, before we get into the stickers, I did get a free gift with this order right over here, which is called the Kauai ice cream keychain in yellow. I did notice when I put it in my cart, it kept saying yellow. So you get this if you spend over $25. And I actually was like removing things from my cart to try to get it to change to another color, but it just stayed yellow. So I did get the yellow. I also got this hair bow, Kawaii, I should say, and it's got these really cute little pom-poms in it. I thought that was kind of adorable. I did get these two little Kuromi notebooks, and one of them is going to be for my Sanrio giveaway. And then one thing that I wanted to note that I thought was really, really cute about this order was that it came with this really cute, your order was packaged with love and care by Ming. So I thought that was so adorable. Now, unfortunately, Ming did make one mistake with my order. However, I did message them, so they are sending the right item. So anyway, and now that that's all over with, make sure you're subscribed and let's jump into this awesome Kawaii sticker haul. So first off, I just wanted to apologize for the lighting in this video, you guys. It is not going to be the greatest. Hopefully it is sufficient. My iPhone does have a low light camera, thank goodness. But in case you didn't know, I have been getting ready for my Kauai room tour, and it's very exciting, right? So I've been moving things around, and I haven't got the lighting back to 100% yet. However, I will be fixing it very soon, I promise you guys. But everything is starting to take shape and look really, really cute. Don't want to give too much away. But yeah, I even got like an awesome My Melody clock in the mail today. But anyway, you guys, I promise I will fix it soon. So anyway, the first thing I'm going to show you guys is, now I don't know the name of all these stickers, but I will definitely link them in the description. So I'm going to try and keep everything over here where the lighting seems to be the best. So these ones, I actually do know the name. So these are called the Kawaii Puffy fashion stickers, and these are Waitress. Now the ones I actually ordered are called Lolita. So if you know me, like just one look at these and you can kind of tell I wouldn't really pick these ones, especially once you see the other ones that I got. But basically these are like dress up stickers. I don't know if you remember the dress a baby stickers from the 80s, or maybe they had them in the 90s too, not too sure, but they were like some of my favorites. And so yeah, you just get this like really cute little kawaii Lolita girl, and then you get to dress her up in all these fashions. So this one is definitely not my favorite. It was a mistake. They are sending me a replacement of the Lolita ones, so these are definitely going to be for my giveaway, along with like one of these booklets and this and some other stuff that I've already shown you guys. It's going to be really awesome, and I'm just waiting for like one more thing to get here before I can do that. So I did get those stickers there. Now you guys, wait till you see these next ones. So these are all like the same, I don't know, they all have the same topper on them anyway. So they are so cute. So it says My Style Mode. And you guys, these are adorable. So basically, if you look up Puffy Kawaii stickers, you will find these, but I will definitely leave the link. So you guys, these are too freaking cute. The one thing I will tell you is the listing makes them look a lot brighter. They are actually really, really pastel. I mean, they still look pastel in the listing, but they look like much brighter. So these are too cute, you guys. Look at her hair, okay? Look at the little fairies. Look at the little skirts. Oh my goodness, okay? Some of these are just to die for. I'll show you my favorites, but this is just adorable. So this is the one with the baby blue topper. And I'm totally going to reuse these toppers for my jewelry. Like, they are so gorgeous. So then there's this one over here. And it is like fairy, kind of like reminds me of like fairy birthday party. So pretty, you guys. So this one's got like a pink haired and a blue haired, a little mint haired fairy. Oh my gosh, you can even dress the little fairies. It's got wands. You guys, so I love this dress right here so much. I love this little fairy. You guys, these are too cute. Oh my goodness. So I'll just leave that one like that. Then there was this blue one that I knew I had to get as soon as I saw it. So yeah, it is a lot more pastel than it looked in the listing. When I saw the listing after, when I saw it online, I actually thought that I hadn't got that one and put it in my cart again for my second order. But it turned out it was this one. So this is one of my favorites, and you'll see why. So look at these dresses. First of all, they are so gorgeous. They are so glittery, okay? It has got these long, white, glittery, like, thigh highs. Then underneath, look at this rainbow dress, you guys. Oh my goodness. Now, I'm not sure, but I think that maybe, yeah, see, they're all, like, standing in the same pose, so you could definitely, like, mix and match the dresses with the different girls, because I think this would look so cute on her. I love her. I think that she would be me. If I was one of these girls, I would definitely be this one or this one over here, but no, probably I'm definitely this one right here. So yeah, you guys, these are so freaking cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'll try and hurry up a little bit. But so then those are for like the dress up Kawaii Lolita stickers. So darn cute. And then I got these. So I think these are called Kawaii glitter musical stickers. Once again, I will leave the link. And they are actually much more glittery than they looked in the picture and then they're coming up on camera. But you guys, these are really, really cute. I cannot wait to decorate my room with these. Like one of my walls is like totally decorated in all different Kawaii stickers. So I cannot wait to get these up because it's like mostly all Sanrio stickers right now. So I definitely can't wait to have like a mix. And then these are just like randomly, I picked these diamonds mainly for the mint ones. Thought those were pretty cute, so I got those. So then these next ones here are so adorable too. So these are called Neko cat dress up stickers. So it's got the little Neko cat, okay, and then it's got all her little dresses. It has got different little wigs that you can put on them. And then I'm not sure, but I think that this thing opens up and it is like a little wardrobe for you to keep their little dresses and clothes in. So this is just so adorable. And not only that, it's like a background that you can stick them on. So it's like basically a little dress shop, I think is what it is. So freaking cute, you guys. So I got those ones too. Now, these next ones that I'm going to show you guys are some of the coolest freaking stickers that I have ever seen, okay? So, once again, I got this all from blippo.com. I will definitely leave the link in the description. So, if you listen, this could totally be an ASMR sticker haul. Between that and my bracelets, am I right, guys? So, look at these, you guys. So, these are totally bubbly, okay? Not only that, these are shakers. You guys, all these stickers are freaking shakers. So these ones kind of remind me of like Alice in Wonderland, fairy tale theme. It's got like the Cheshire Cat. And then here it's got like Cinderella's carriage. It's got like the eat me or drink me kind of potion bottle, or maybe that's a card. It's got the like Mad Hatter hat with the teapot. It is so cute. And they are all filled with little seed beads and other little freaking stones that I don't even know what the heck to call them. Like, they're not beads because they don't have holes, but they are so pretty. They're like little, I don't know, fairy stones. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. So I did get these ones. Then I did get these ones over here, and I know that these ones are called Magic Cat or Magical Kitty, so I know that for sure. But one way to make sure you're getting the ones you want is to look at the color of the gem. So like this set has the purple gem, this set has the pink gem. So these are called Magic Kitties. So the top one has a pumpkin. Oh my gosh, guys, they are so cute. Once again, they are like filled with beads. Okay, so freaking cute. If I was like better at like editing, oh my gosh, you guys. Anyway, these are just freaking adorable, okay? So I got more of them. I got these ones right here. These are actually some of my favorite. So this is actually, I don't know if these stickers are made by Q-Lia. I actually didn't read it on them. I didn't see Q-Lia anywhere. But this little girl blowing bubbles right there, she is like the same Kawaii Fairy Kate type girl that is on a bunch of the Q-Lia stickers and Q-Lia notepads. So I absolutely love her. I've already ordered another one of these. So this is definitely one of my favorites. So you can see it's got the bunnies. It's all pastel. It's got the magical girl wands. It's got like the Fairy K mirror. And again, the Q-Lia. Like, I hope this is showing up, guys. Because I'm telling you, these are the most gorgeous things. And there you can see those little things I'm talking about. I don't know what they are, but they are so pretty, guys. Okay, I love them. So, 3 packs I've shown you so far. Those, I did get a 4th. Okay. This one is like the bunny something. Again, I will leave links. So not only do they have like, not only are they shakers with the little beads, but they've also got like little puffy floaties in them, okay? They are so cute. So these are the bunny ones. Just adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay, so those are the 4 packs of those. Okay, I still have the tag on my mat, okay, because it's brand new and I haven't shown it in my magical haul yet, okay, so just ignore that, guys. But yeah, so I got the 4 of those, I got the 3 of those, I got the Neko cats, and now I'm still not done, you guys. Wait till you see these. These are called water stickers. So if you guys want these, all you gotta do is search water stickers on Blippo.com. You guys, these are too freaking cute, okay? Look at these. Look at these things. So once again, these are shakers, but you guys, these ones actually have liquid in them. So the one thing is that water stickers cannot be shipped by DHL, which is the fastest shipping method. However, DHL costs like 20 bucks anyway, or 25 Canadian. So most of you probably wouldn't want to use that shipping method. However, it just makes it come like a way faster. So that is one reason that I had to use a slower shipping method. And this package got totally lost and took so long to come. Oh my goodness, I probably should have got a refund, but I didn't want to, you know, be on bad terms with the seller, with the company. So I did get these, you guys. They are so gorgeous. So these ones, again, are called like Kawaii something. They are so cute. I love them. Okay, these are some of my favorites. These ones over here, again, I think these ones are called a magical bear or magician bear, something like that. Once again, they've got the water of them in them. Each is a different color. They are so pretty. These ones here, I actually got 2 packs of, but my son, you guys, even my son, when he saw this, was like, oh my gosh, Mommy, I want to open them. So luckily I had 2. So we did already open one, and I've already put some on some mail that I'm sending out to some of my YouTuber friends. But yeah, you guys, these are so freaking pretty. So these ones are like a magical theme. It's got like potion bottles, a moon. It's got like rabbits. So once again, kind of like Alice in Wonderland. Very, very pretty. Then I've got a bear one over here. Okay. So cute. And I think this one is called Music Bear, if I'm not mistaken. It's got a harp. So cute, you guys. Okay. And then last but not least, these ones are called Kawaii Animal Water Stickers. And they are so freaking adorable, you guys. Oh my goodness. So after these came, I was so in love with them. I will be honest with you guys. I have made another order from these guys, an even bigger order. And yeah, I can't wait for it to get here. But for now, this is what I got. A whole bunch of awesomeness and a whole bunch of happiness. Yay! Here it is. So anyway, you guys, I hope you liked this haul. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Hopefully you couldn't hear my husband snoring in the background. And if you did, then that's okay too. Anyway, I'll see you guys for my next haul or my next video, whatever it may be. So see you next time, Miss Eddie Blue.